Come to lie down on your back or your side. Or if you'd like, you can do this meditation practice for headaches and migraines while seated. Support your body with props, pillows, blankets. And if you'd like, you could place a cool eye pillow or an ice pack over the forehead and eyes. Make sure you're as comfortable as possible so you can completely relax. Whenever we experience headaches or migraines, it's because an excess of energy or prana has accumulated at the crown and third eye chakras. In this practice, we'll use our breath to guide this prana back down the body through the energy system, so hopefully you'll be feeling much less pain by the end of this practice. Make any final adjustments to your posture and close the eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Just notice it for now. Gently, effortlessly, breathing in and out at your own natural rhythm, without any need to change it. Now see if you can begin to deepen and lengthen your breath. The breath carries and moves prana through the body, so our breath is really important for this practice. Start to deepen and lengthen your breath without any force or strain. Keep it soft but intentional. When you inhale, breathe all the way down into the belly, the lower back and pelvis. Feel the ribs expand out, collarbones lift. And when you exhale all the breath out, let all four corners of the torso deflate. Relax the whole body. Keep breathing at a pace that feels comfortable for you. In and out through the nose or the mouth. Gently deepening the breath. Keep going with your easy, steady flow of breath. And as you continue to breathe, imagine the energy of your breath flowing in and out of your body. You might see it as white or gold light flowing into your body on the wave of your inhale and then out on the wave of your exhale. Or you may just experience it as sensation flowing in and then flowing out. So you can visualize or just feel the energy of your breath. Take 6 more deep breaths like this. Now we'll begin to direct this energy through the body. Bring your awareness up to the third eye chakra, the center of the forehead. Relax the eyebrows. Relax the muscles around the eyes. And gently hold your attention at the center of the forehead. Keep taking those long, slow, deep breaths. And now we'll start a visualization practice to redistribute prana through the chakra system. As you breathe in, you'll imagine sending the energy of your breath straight into the third eye chakra, through the center of the forehead, deep into the center of the brain. On your exhale, send that energy down Sushumna Nadi, which is the energy channel that flows along the spine, so that energy goes all the way down the spine to the root chakra, Muladhara. You can join me now. Inhale energy into the third eye chakra, Ajna. Exhale, that energy flows down Sushumna Nadi to Muladhara. Keep going at your own pace and take 10 more breaths like this with the visualization. Release the visualization. Let the breath return to normal. And just take these final moments to notice how you feel physically, energetically. Our meditation practice is now complete, but you may rest here for as long as you would like. Thank you for practicing with me. Namaste.